Hey guys, so this is gonna be a really short video because it's 10:04 and I just woke up. But I wanted you guys, hi, to meet my dog. I got a new doggy. Ow, you're biting me, bad girl. But we got a new dog. Her name is Lucy, and I'm gonna show her to you. And I'm probably gonna put a video of the first time that she barked in here because me being the great owner I am, I got that on video. Anyway, yeah, so she literally hates them. Hi, say hi. Say hi. Lucy. Up. Okay, I'm gonna teach her I'm gonna teach you, or show you guys what she does. Sit. Lucy. Paw. 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 Give it to me. Give me paw. Give me paw. Okay, you almost did it. Yeah, there you go. Good girl. See, I'm a good girl. See, I hate being recorded though, so right now I look really ugly. Oh, that hurts. No. No, 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 no. No, it's. No, it's. No, it's. No, it's. She's like, okay, Emma. She goes between my legs sometimes. It's really weird. Oh. Say hi to all the people that are gonna see you. Say hello. Can you bark? Come on, you. Ah, yeah, good girl. Good girl saying hi to all your fans. Good girl. But there you go. Good girl. Okay. Wanna come on the couch with me? Wanna come on the couch? Okay. Oh.
She get all worked up about.
She saw me recording her. What are these? What are these? Try to pick them up. Well, at least we got our first bark on tape.
Oh, did you?
I did.